Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the car life. Super excited this morning, even though it's raining. I don't care, it's not gonna stop me. I'm super excited because I'm about to get myself another car. It's a car I've been wanting for a very long time, but it's almost impossible to get your hands on one. But surprisingly, my friend had one, but he lives all the way in Maui. So he decided to sell it to me, transporting it over. I'm getting it today. So I'm waiting for the truck to get here. It should be here shortly, so I'm super excited. I see it, I see it, I see it. It's coming. It's coming. Back it up a little bit out of here because I want to see this truck pull up. My car is on there. Can you guess which one? Oh man, I can't believe I'm gonna get this car. I am super stoked for this right now. Even my camera can't handle it, it's blurring up. She's here. So I typically include my wife in all my videos, but not this time. It's because she's not really thrilled with what I just purchased. I didn't tell her I was buying this, it kind of just showed up. So she's upset, that's number one. Number two, I keep buying cars that are impractical, but it's okay. She can stay mad because now I can spend the entire day with the car. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.